I really want to thank you for coming. I am Najim's mom, and I met Najim about 15 years ago today. He is my very first child, so it was definitely love at first sight. He was born on today, June 26, 2006, and I couldn't believe that I was a mother. Well, he's 15 now, and you have grown so quickly. And it just makes me sort of sad because I miss my little baby. And I miss little things like if everyone just would turn around.
I can't see.
Where?
That's me.
Oh,
No one. Oh, no.
Oh no.
What are you doing?
Toilet tissue.
What are you doing? What is that? You're in.
The toilet tissue thing. I can't find the real one.
What are you talking about? What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a thing that's all like, right here. Hey, that's
Are you looking for this?
I'm so sorry, Mom. I'm so sorry, Mom.
But yes.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, Mom.
Those are the things that I miss about you, because those moments like that, the innocence of a child holding a tampon, thinking that it's the toilet tissue thingy that he was looking for. Oh, Mommy, I'm so sorry, Mommy. And just hearing things like that, I don't get those little moments anymore because you sound so grown. You're looking grown. You're taller than me now. And, I'm just really happy and proud to be your mom on this 15th birthday of yours.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to thank everyone for coming. Special shout out to Keith.
Hey, that's her.
It was also his birthday. This is one of my son's best friends. And they wanted to celebrate their birthday together this year. So happy birthday to you, Keith.
Let's go. Yeah.
And I want to also say thank you for all of your friends who've come. Everyone who's here are people who he wanted here.
Yeah.
You guys, I have seen you grow since the basketball days, the 5th and 6th and 7th grade. So you all, each and every one of you means something dear to me. I really want to take the time to thank the ones that are not here as well. You know, like my grandparents and my Auntie Pat and, people who are always usually around. So I have to get a shout out and hats off to them as well.
Yeah.
Today we had a great day. We spent a whole day at Six Flags.
Yes, ma'am.
That's what you wanted to do. You guys got on a lot of things like what?
We got on Blue Hawk, we got on Batman, we got on the Acrophobia.
All of these roller coasters.
Yeah.
Did you guys have fun? Yes. We had fun too. I got on my favorite roller coaster, the Scorcher, as well.
Yeah.
Yes. So those are some of the great details of this day. We had funnel cake, we came home, we played basketball. Well, you guys played basketball. We ate, we drank, we were merry. Did you have fun today, son?
Of course, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Well, I'd like to end this with a toast and say, to my son, I really love you so much. You're 15 years old. I want to say continue in your journey into manhood. Always focus on being a man and not a male. Okay?
There's a difference, yes.
Yes, there is a difference.
Yeah.
And character is very important.
Yes, ma'am.
So if everyone would please raise their, I want to say happy birthday to Najim.
Najim, you're doing too much.
Mommy loves you. Cheers! Cheers! All right, happy birthday!
Najim,
Yes, sir.
do it like that.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah. Handsome. Oh, yeah. Invisible face mask. Come on, bro.
You're not gonna blow?
No.
The
Oh,